So, ito yung aking third example na sa tawag nating implicit differentiation. It says, find the second derivative of y if x squared plus y squared equal to 4. So, ang kukunin natin ay second derivative. But before we can get the second derivative of the function, kunin muna natin yung first derivative. Again, this is written implicitly. Si y is implicitly as a function of x. So, implicit differentiation gagamitin natin. So, hindi ko na kukunin yung explicit form niya. Okay? Kunin muna natin yung first derivative of the function. So, we have x squared plus y squared equal to 4. So, derivative tayo, both side, d over dx, x squared plus y squared. Then, derivative din ng right side. Okay? So, ito, derivative ng una, derivative ng ikalawa. So, derivative ng x squared with respect to x is 2x. While derivative of y squared with respect to x is using power rule ng ating chain rule, so that will be 2y, then derivative pa ng y. Derivative ng y is y prime. Okay? Again, this is dy over dx. Okay? Y prime na ang ginamit ko. Equal to derivative of 4 is 0. That is a constant. So, therefore, we have 2x plus 2y y prime equal to 0. Then, solve natin si y prime. Transposing 2x, so we have 2y, 2y y prime is equal to negative 2x, dividing both sides by 2y, equal to 2y, divided by 2y. Cancel. We have y prime is negative x over y. Now, hindi pa doon natatapos kasi ang kasunod natin is to determine again the derivative of this derivative. That is the second derivative. So, we have the second derivative is gagamitin natin ng quotient rule. Equal sa baba, derivative ng taas, minus taas, derivative ng baba, divide by square ng baba. Okay? So, y times derivative ng negative x minus negative x times derivative ni y all over y squared. Okay, so we have y double prime derivative negative x negative 1 times y is negative y, that is positive x, dy over dx is y prime. Okay, all over y squared. Now, may double prime second derivative. This is d squared y over dx squared. This is dy over dx. So, kailangan natin ma-solve si second derivative. But we all know that y prime here is negative x over y. Okay? So, substitute natin si y prime, negative x over y. So, we have y double prime, or the second derivative, is equal to negative y plus x, and y prime is negative x over y. So, negative x over y squared. Okay? Y double prime is equal to LCD is negative y squared minus x squared over y cubed. Okay? So we have y double prime factoring negative signs in negative x squared plus y squared over y to the fourth. Sala to. Should be y squared. So y, mapapapunta sa baba yung y, that will become y cubed. Okay? Y double prime is equal to this. But x squared plus y squared is equal to 4. So we can replace this expression by 4. So negative 4 over y cubed. So that is our answer dun sa ating example number 3. Okay? So parang medyo mahaba. Meron pang mas madali. I suggest from here we can solve by the way, from here we can solve the second derivative of the function without solving y prime kasi naging quotient rule pa dito. Okay? So from here, I'm going to solve the second derivative. Yung kanina, humaba yung solution natin in finding the second derivative of this function. Why not we get the second derivative of the function based from this resulting first derivative, baka para mas madali, instead of doing this process kasi naging quotient rule na siya, humaba. At medyo mahirap mag-solve ng derivative if we're dealing with a rational function. So from here, we simplify. We can divide all of the terms by 2 or multiplying both sides by 1/2 to eliminate 2. Okay? Kasi dito, sinulit pa natin explicitly. So we have x here plus y prime equal to 0. Now, mag-derivative ulit tayo, implicit differentiation, by getting derivative ng both sides. So we have derivative of x with respect to x plus derivative of the product y prime equals 0. Okay? Derivative of x with respect to x is 1. We can apply the product rule. Y times derivative y prime. Okay? That is second derivative plus y prime derivative ni y. Okay? Equal to 0. Okay? So we have 1 plus y. This will become double prime. Okay? Plus y prime times y prime. Okay? Equal to 0. Okay? Y prime times y prime, we can apply this one, negative x over y. Okay? But before substituting y prime to this, we can simplify y prime as y prime squared. Okay? So we have 1 plus y double prime equal to y prime squared. Okay? Equal to 0. And y prime, or the first derivative, is negative x over y. So we 1 plus y, second derivative, plus negative x over y squared equal to 0. Okay? Then simplify natin. So we have, transpose natin si negative 1. So we have y, second derivative, that will be plus x squared over y squared equal to negative 1. And then, transpose na rin natin yon. So we y, second derivative, plus, equal to negative 1 minus x squared over y squared. Okay, divide both by y. We have the second derivative equal to negative y squared minus x squared over y squared over y. Okay? Tanggalin ko to. So we have the second derivative equal to, factoring out negative sign, we have x squared plus y squared. Mapapabay y squared, multiply sa y, that is y cubed. The second derivative is, this is equal to 4. So negative 4 over y cubed. So we get the same answer. Okay? Okay, kung alin na mas madali, so nasa sa inyo kung anong gagamitin nyo. But I suggest ito na lang. Okay? So that is example number 3 about implicit differentiation. Thank you.